HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, HDMI 4, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, HDMI 4. This is FEBON Seamless video switcher. It can connect HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, HDMI 4, and become HDMI output. HDMI 1 is from the iPad. HDMI 2 is from the SONY ACTION. HDMI 3 is from the GoPro Hero 5. HDMI 4 is from the SONY Camcorder. This is a FEBON iCapture grabber card. It can connect the HDMI. It can let the external HDMI display on the iPad and live streaming now. Now, this is HDMI 1 from the iPhone. HDMI 2 is from SONY ACTION. HDMI 3 is from the GoPro. HDMI 2 is from the SONY Camcorder. HDMI 4 is from the SONY Camcorder. The audio is always fixed on the HDMI 1. In this case, the audio is always fixed the iPhone. So if I play the YouTube, you will see the audio. You will hear the audio. And you can use the remote control. HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, HDMI 4, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, HDMI 4, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, HDMI 4, HDMI 1, HDMI 2. HDMI 2 is SONY ACTION. HDMI 3 is GoPro. HDMI 4 is SONY Camcorder. Okay. And you can live streaming. You can live streaming.
This internet IP is
Facebook. And you can select the Facebook star. You can live streaming what you see. Open your audio.
You also prepare around
HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, HDMI 4 together.
This is now
HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, HDMI 4, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, HDMI 4. HDMI 1. Okay. HDMI 2, HDMI 3, HDMI 4. Okay. The connector is HDMI output HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, HDMI 4. Hi everybody. I will instruct you how to use the FEBON Seamless video switcher, connect the FEBON iCapture grabber card, and the display and the live streaming on the iPad iPhone. Now I used 4 camera sources, HDMI source. One is iPhone. This is iPhone. iPhone HDMI output. The second is SONY ACTION. The second is Sony Action Cam HDMI output. The third is GoPro Hero 5. This is GoPro Hero 5. This is GoPro Hero 5. And the third is the Sony Camcorder. This is Sony Camcorder. Sony Camcorder. Okay. Okay. The first one is iPhone. Okay. Now I will just connect how. In this video clip, I will introduce you how to connect the FEBON seamless video switcher and the FEBON iCapture grabber card. Now, first, please plug the power of the FEBON seamless. This is power. This is HDMI output, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, HDMI 4 input, and the output. Okay. The first one source is iPhone. Okay. This is the FEBON iCapture. This FEBON seamless video switcher. The audio will be always fixed on HDMI 1. Audio is always fixed on HDMI 1. The audio is always whenever you change the channel, the audio is always output from the HDMI 1. Audio is always fixed on HDMI 1. This is very important. Okay. HDMI 1. HDMI 1 is from the iPhone. HDMI 2 is from the Sony Action Cam. HDMI 2 is from the Sony Action Cam. HDMI 3 is from the GoPro. HDMI 4 is from the Camcorder, Sony Camcorder. And this is HDMI outline. Okay. And then we are set up the FEBON iCapture grabber card. First, this is FEBON iCapture grabber card. Please connect the power. This is micro USB line. This is lighting line. This is Type A line. Okay. Plug. And plug the power. This is FEBON iCapture grabber card. Connect the micro USB line. And connect the USB line. And then plug the power. And then plug the lighting to USB 3 adapter. You will see the charge. This is charge. And you will see the Ethernet. And then open the app. It will become the blue screen. After you see the blue screen, plug the FEBON seamless HD video switcher HDMI output. Connect. And then okay, we change. We close the audio because the audio is from the camcorder. It is very close to the iPhone, so it will echo. So I change. For demo purpose, I change HDMI 1 and HDMI 4. Oh, and I forgot to open the GoPro. Please open the power. Oh, you will see. You can change the channel. Change. It is video thickness. Video thickness. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4. HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, HDMI 4. Change. Okay. Because the audio is from the HDMI 1, HDMI is from the iPhone. So I play a YouTube. Okay, I play another video. Okay, I switch. The audio is from the iPhone, HDMI 1. HDMI 1 is iPhone is play the YouTube now. I change. Okay. HDMI 1 is from the iPhone. HDMI 2 is from the HDMI 2 is from GoPro. HDMI 3 is from the SONY Camcorder, SONY ACTION Cam. HDMI 4 is from the SONY Camcorder. Okay, now I live streaming it. You can select the parameter. You can HD resolution. Sorry. HD resolution and the bitrate I select the 4000. FB is just the 4000. And the start Facebook Live and the FEBON test. Start. I open the audio to here, and I switch the video switch. Switch. It is video thickness. And I will code. Okay. This is my video demo. Video thickness a seamless video switcher with FEBON iCapture grabber card and the live streaming on the iPad iPhone. Thank you. Bye bye.
This is now
HDMI 1, HDMI 2, HDMI 3, HDMI 4, HDMI 1,
the router must be the same
HDMI 2, HDMI 3, HDMI 4.